this is Bonnie.
Hello, this is Belisa.
Yes, welcome to our live broadcast. We are going to introduce the induction cooker PCB control board today, which is manufactured by our factory. In our daily life, induction cooker is widely used, especially in the winter, as we all know everybody likes to have the hot pot in the winter. So it is the hot season for the induction cooker parts.
Yes, as a manufacturer dedicated to producing induction cooker PCB control boards for many years, our products have a lot of advantages. So next, we are going to introduce some features of our products for you. Bonnie, could you tell me some details of our features of the PCB board?
Yes, sure. Firstly, there are multiple spa menus on the panel, such as hot pot, cooking, porridge, water boiling, stirring and steaming soup, and it has a smart ignition function. It means the temperature can reach the maximum in an instant without overloading, and there are many safety protections in different aspects, such as overcurrent protection, overheating protection, high voltage protection, and low voltage protection. Besides the pot material, small objects not hit, improper placement protection, 2 hours unattended automatic shutdown.
Yes, and support wide range voltage input. 100 volt to 215 volt input is supported, and 6 sample operating functions such as water boiling, porridge, stirring, and steaming, hot pot, cooking, just one button. It's very easy to use. And 6, there is a manual or automatic regular fire pot function. And 7, it's easy to install with wiring precision introduction.
Yes, wow, it's really cool, right?
Yes.
Let's move on the next part, and I will show you more details. As we can see on the table, there are so many models of these products, such as this is the A+, and this is the 12F, and this is the 11F.
Yes. And this is the SCL D003.
Yes. Belisa,
Yes.
could you tell us some differences between these products?
Yeah, sure. This brings us to the most important parameter, the power, which is also commonly used by most customers to distinguish the induction cooker PCB control board. The voltage of the A+ is 2000 to the 2200 wattage, and the 12F is 1800 to 2000 wattage. 11F is 1600 to 1800 wattage. Their power also can be adjusted by the potentiometer.
Wow. As we can see this in my hand, the A+, which is the most popular models for many years. Compared with the products of many other factories, we use a larger capacitor and the heat sink inside. Its quality and advantages have been highly approved by our customers. As we can see, this is the sample of the A+.
Yes.
And this is the handle.
Yeah, and this is the panel PCB control board.
Yes, this is the display. And this is the heating pin and the coil, capacitor, and diode. And this is the ODM. This is the terminal for the wire. There are many parts of the PCB box. Besides, in order to satisfy the demands of these different customers, we also have this D003. Yes, this one. And this is the board of the products. This is the touch type. It is easy to operate. We also can see the main parts of the products. This is the cooling pin and the coil. This is the capacitor. And this is the transformer. They are small capacitors. And this is the diode. There are some main parts of the box. We can see clearly, right?
Yes.
In addition, if you need a huge power, we can also have this one for you.
Yes.
DC outlet 3500. Yes, it is 3500 watt. It is commercial high power induction cooker board. It is used for the commercial business.
Yes.
Lisa,
Yes.
what any other advantages for or difference between these products?
Yes, by the way, our control board are cost efficient, safe, and the quality is guaranteed,
Yeah.
and it has a very good reputation in the market. Our own production line ensure the delivery time as short as possible.
Yeah.
And also customer made is also supported in our factory because we will try our best to meet the requirements of our customers.
Yes, our factories enjoys lots of advanced production equipment and a professional research and development production team, which can provide the best products and service.
And now we will talk about some our factory products, the PCB board and the convection oven and the electric ceramic ovens. Yes, we are a professional manufacturer of our home appliance of PCB control board. We have professional modern workshop and the sales team and work in this business industry for more than 13 years. With our strengths, our products are exported to more than 100 countries around the world. And now we are going to talk about our PCB universal control board for convection oven and the electric ceramic ovens. Bonnie, could you tell me some details of our convection oven and the ceramics and the electric ceramic ovens?
Yes, there are some models of these PCB boards, such as the 5 LED board
And the 6 LED board light?
Yes, and also this SONGB01.
Yes.
And these products are popular in the market, and it has a good reputation. There are some features of these products, such as the maximum power is 1800 watts, and AC input voltage is 220 volts. The main accessories of these products, as we can see the sample, the main accessories include the PCB control board. This is the board, and this is the panel.
Yeah.
And the wire and the temperature probe. As we can see the sample, there are some parts such as the cooling fin and the capacitor, the transformer, and the diode. This is the terminal for the wire. There are some parts of this. New technology can use jumper to choose different power for suitable heating tube, and the power will automatically turn off if there is no operation for 2 hours. Lisa,
Yes.
could you tell us some more details for this PCB box?
Yes, of course. There are the 5 LED light. This one.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
And this is the 6 LED light.
One more light.
Yes, one more light here. And these two boards are suitable for maintenance of the most convection oven.
Yeah.
And we also have this one SONGB01. It's the universal control board. These products can be used together with the heating tube and the 18-volt cooling fan, which we usually sell widely. Please look at the main board of the PCB control board. As we can see to the display here, we can choose the functions for the 5 LED and the 6 LED. It can be have the warm and the soup, porridge, and the hot pot, barbecue, stir frying, and the power lamp here.
Yes, is there any difference between 5 LED and 6 LED one?
Yes, of course. The 6 LED one, this one is one more line here.
Yeah.
And the micro switch is in the middle.
Yeah.
Here.
But this is on the side.
Yes, here on the side.
Please take a look of this 5 LED one.
Yes.
And the 6 LED one. The panel size is different. And the 6 LED one is more longer. But the PCB board is the same as we can see. Just the panel is different. Please take a look of the packing. We can see the specification to recognize which model is inside, such as this is the 5 LED one and this is the 6 LED one.
Yes, and this one is the Sunchonglic one.
Yes, there, as we can see the packing, there's some features, some things we need to pay attention, such as test the fan after installing the main board. And the body of temperature-controlled resistance must be connected to the metal under the heating plate. And do not put the handle in the middle of heating plate. And the maximum power is 1080 watts. When the power ID low, please short out the high power jumper. And the Sunchonglic is a universal model which can be suitable for both convection oven and electric ceramic oven. It is very convenient that the installation instructions and some considerations can be seen on the back of the box. Yes. Elisa.
Yeah.
There are so many factories to manufacture this PCB control box.
Yes.
Could you tell our customers our advantages?
Yes, because we are the original manufacturing factory. We have our own production line. Then we can control the price and give the customer good price. Second, we have advanced production equipment. And third, we have professional window processing skill to ensure product qualities.
Yeah.
And fourth, we have professional research and development team and sales team completely offer customer OEM and ODM service according to customers' requirements and sample.
Yes, last but not the least, I would like to tell you about the difference between induction cooker, conversion oven, and electric ceramic oven. Beyond the heating principles, they are also not quite same in the application. The pot used in induction cooker must be made of iron or alloy steel to enhance the magnetic induction with its high permeability.
Yes, and the conversion oven can be used directly without any tableware or pots. And the electric ceramic oven can be used with the backing plate and the backing nut. It does not have a special requirement for the material of the pot, and it can even be used as a heater. I believe the above can relieve some of your doubts.
Yes, that's all for today's live broadcast. Thanks for watching and your support. If you want to know more about us, welcome to get in touch with us through WeChat, WhatsApp, and Facebook. There are some QR codes. You can contact us to get more details.